guys, this is Mark with SETZER'S World of Camping. Today I'm going to be showing you Forest River R-Pod RP202. You come up here, you got your power tongue jack. It's got a little light on it. Pretty simple to operate. Just press up or down. Right here you got your LP tank. It's your propane. Make sure this is off whenever you're not using it, and just flip it on whenever you want to use it. Right here you got your battery box. Look here, you got your battery disconnect switch. Make sure it's on whenever you want to use it. Whenever you're storing the camper or not using it, just turn it off. It'll save the life of the battery a little bit. Big cargo space up front. This here is going to be your freshwater connection. This is for dry camping, like if you're out in the woods or something, you don't have hookups. Also dry. City water connection. This is going to be plug your water hose in whenever you got hookups at a campground or your house. If you want to drain your freshwater tank, look under here, little hose, you just unscrew the cap and all the water will come out to fresh water. Right here you got your black tank and your gray holding tanks. Black tank's going to be for your bathroom, like a toilet, and then this is going to be for your sinks and showers. What you want to do is you want to leave these closed completely until you're done camping. Open the black tank first, let it drain, then pull your gray tank out. This is going to be your black tank flush. Hook your water hose up when you're running your sewer out, and just turn the water on. It'll clean the tank out. Right here you have your 30 amp Sure power cord, cable and satellite. Down here you got your stabilizing arms, and then over there you got your galley tank, super gray tank. Got already installed ladder on the back here. Up top you got your Fury and backup camera. It's already wired up. If you want to purchase one, we sell them here at SETZER'S World Camping. And here, this is going to be your water heater. Okay. If you need to empty this thing out, you want to pull this, let the pressure off, and take this anode out, and all the water will drain out of there. If you look up under here, you got your low point drains. You want to turn those, that'll let all the water out of your lines. Outdoor shower. Outdoor kitchen here. Nice little mini fridge, place for the grill. Your counter space. Just some receptacles out here. Then up top here you got you some outdoor speakers. Some more stabilizing arms on the front. This is going to be your quick connect for your grill, for your outdoor. And this is just going to be your outdoor shower hose here. Alright, now that I'm done on the outside, I'm going to take you up on the roof to show you a couple things. Alright, show you the roof a little bit. What you want to do is you want to come up here. I recommend at least twice, 3 times a year. all these little lap sealants here. You want to come up here and clean them with some kind of thinner. Okay, then you want to get you some self-leveling sealant. Come up here, just seal around all this stuff. Okay, make sure there's no cracks in them. If you see any holes or anything, bubbles, you want to seal all these. Okay, do not seal around that right here. This is your AC unit. You don't want to seal around that, just seal around everything else. All right, now that I've taken you up on the roof, let's go ahead on the inside. Right on the inside here, you got a big old storage cabinet, 2 of them. Here you got your fridge, runs on 12 volts. Kitchen sink here. This is going to be your oven and your stovetop. This is gas powered. Turn that all the way to the light. Hold it down. Light it. That's your exhaust fan. Some more cabinet space. Look up here, you got your smoke detector in the corner here. Look over here, entertainment center, you got your monitor panel. This is going to be checking your gray tanks, black tank, fresh tank, and battery. It'll show you right here how full each one of those are. Right here is your water pump. Turn that on whenever you're using fresh water connection only. Water heater, make sure your gas is on. Flip the switch on, run water, you'll have hot water. This will be all your light switches here. Interior light, porch light, awning LED. You got your slide, and then your awning extend and retract right here. If you look up here, get your TV. Right here you got your entertainment system. It's got Bluetooth, FM radio, auxiliary. Alright. Some more storage areas here. Down here you got your electric fireplace. Turn that on. You don't want to use your gas. Storage space. Right here you got your breaker box in case anything needed in there. There it is. This right here is going to be your LP detector. It's going to detect gas if you got a leak. Receptacles. Here's going to be your thermostat. Turn it on. That'll control your furnace or your AC unit. Okay. Solar controller. This is going to be your AC. Flip those open if you want it to come out of here. Shut both of them, they'll come out of the power vents right here. Right, on to the bathroom. Flip the light on. Nice outlet seats. Nice big shower. Skylight. Here you got your exhaust fan. Just open that up. Turn it on. Right here. Alright, moving on from the bathroom. Got your back bedroom here. Nice and big. Storage space here. Alright. Look over on this wall, you got all your TV hookups. Set your TV in here. Outlets, satellite and cable. Alright. Got your speakers up here, power vents. And that's it. And right here, I'll show you, it's a vacuum system. Just flip it on, open that up. Alright, I think that about wraps it up. Again, this is Mark with SETZER'S World of Camping. This is your RPod RP202.